We're waiting for an insurance company to give us an offer on a car accident case, and they just requested our client's MRI films. Yes, I am walking down Westheimer Street in Houston, Texas. People may say, what the heck are you doing that for? And it's because my wife has the rental vehicle and she's shopping. So I'm basically just killing time. But I am looking forward to a really great Thanksgiving dinner tonight, Wednesday, and another Thanksgiving meal tomorrow, Thursday. And because my wife is Hispanic, they celebrate Thanksgiving with fajitas. I think I'm okay with the decision. I'm all right with it. I may miss a little turkey this year, but it'll be all right. Anyway, this is a very common thing that occurs in car accident cases where the value of the case could be significant. You know, if you have an insurance company that's about to potentially pay $100,000, $200,000, $1 million, they're going to want to make sure that before they make this settlement payment, that the injuries are what they really are. Now, we could basically tell the insurance company to kick rocks. We're filing a lawsuit, and then you can get the MRI films in the middle of discovery once we file the lawsuit. Depending on the case, this is not always the best practice. This case is out of Texas, and there's something called the Stowers Doctrine, which is basically a doctrine that says if the insurance company doesn't give you the full policy limits when there's more than enough reason to do so, you could file the lawsuit and go after more than their policy limits. In this specific case, we want to make sure that it's very clear that we have given the insurance company every possible pathway to give the full policy limits on this case. We have been more than reasonable with them. We have shared documentation with them that we don't really need to before a lawsuit, but we're doing it anyway to show and to put it back on them that they have more than enough reason now to give the full policy limits. We have nothing to hide. So what will likely happen is the insurance company will have their own specialists review the MRI films, and he's or she is likely going to be biased. But if the MRI films are clear enough that the client truly needs a surgery based upon the injuries, no, there's not a lot that you can say, even if you are biased. Now, sometimes the injury is beyond clear that someone needs surgery, and sometimes the injury is not clear that the person needs surgery. And sometimes it's in the middle where you can make the case that, yeah, he could get surgery, he may not need to get surgery. You know, it's a gray area. So they're going to review these MRI films, and then the insurance company is going to get back to us with their offer on this accident case, and it will either be for the full policy limits or it will not, and then we will take the next step from there. Hope this video has been educational or entertaining to you. Hope that you have a wonderful Thanksgiving with your family. Make sure you get around the table and have everybody say something that they're thankful for. That's what we like to do, because it really just kind of lets the guards down and opens up the door. Yeah, and if you really want to have a wonderful time, you should bring up politics. I don't care. I'll do it. God bless you and have a good day.